Hey, Bolo buddies. Thanks for watching. All right, you guys, we're going to talk about some big money bolos. One item, somebody spent 50 bucks on 100 items and sold one of those items, one of them for $599. So let's get started here. We're going to talk about some big money bolos or items that people bought cheap and flipped quick. This is my Bolo Buddies Facebook group. If you're not in it, come join it. We talk about all things reselling, but the main point of the group is to talk about bolo items to be on the lookout for. So please come share your big money bolo, something you found cheap and sold for a profit, and share it in the group at the top under the share post, and I will feature it in a video just like this. The first item, vintage Elsa Peretti for Halston ceramic heart-shaped trinket dish. Woo! Okay, it says, I've been fortunate enough to find this item before, so I immediately recognized it. I have never seen this item before. I paid $5.79 at a local thrift store and sold it on sale within a few months. I hope someday to find the bean-shaped one as it sells for even more. My store name is Thrifting Addiction on eBay. I'm also on Instagram. Thanks for featuring my item. Thank you for sharing your item. So, yeah, it's a trinket box, guys. I don't even know that I would have picked this up or even looked at it. It looks so ordinary, right? Look at that. That is awesome. All right, now you all know. All right, here's the next one. What is this? Hard case tungsten. I don't know. It's a hard case for something. I have no idea. This sold in May, got for free at a yard sale, got 3, spent $5 at a yard sale, none listed. Same one on eBay, so listed at the high amount. Sold for, it looks like $45.99. I think it sold. Did it already sell? I think it sold. All right, here's the next one. Mars Attack Martian Mask Latex Spirit Tops brand. Retired Spirit Tops Mars Attack full head latex mask with movable jaw. Bought at the Goodwill for $3.99 and sold it on eBay for $85. Full asking price in 2 months. So a quick flip. This one says, I got 2 of these vintage mallard duck touch lamps for free from a family member. I didn't want to deal with shipping something so big, so I listed the 12 individual panels for $29.99 each. Took about 6 months to sell all 12. They all sold in multiples, and I did accept a best offer on a few. My store name is Neil Family Treasures. Oh my goodness, I love this. So they had the lamp. I get it. I totally get it. Parted out. Look at that, guys. 12 of them. So let's say even if they all sold for $10, that's 120 bucks. And I doubt they went down to 10. Wow. So over $200 probably they made on these by parting them out. That's fabulous. Good job. All right, here's another cool story. This is a little different bolo because it's multiples. I purchased a total of 60 of these dead stock moon pins on eBay for a total of $84.71 on April 9th. The seller included 3 extra as a bonus for shipping delay. I have an in-person moon theme market and I thought they would be good for that, but decided to list the extra online. Listed them across Depop, Poshmark, and Vinted. The bulk sold on Depop. Sold 52 of them in the last 2 weeks and keeping the others for the market. How many total? 60. Okay, so only 8 left. Wow, that's awesome. Listing was easy since I only had to list once and use quantity. They are small, so they ship light in a 4x8 bubble. Most sold for 8 to 12 for a total of $482 and still have other 11 for the market. I know most people don't mess with under $10 sales, but the speed of which these sold for 400 plus is in profit. I'm happy with. Yeah, that's fabulous. Look at that, you guys. It's a little stick pin. Stick pins are hot right now. People are wanting them for sure. Okay, let's go on to the next one here. And I am going to have another video from Jolly's Treasure Emporium, her store. If you guys have been watching and keeping up with her solds, she's got a really, really unique store with lots of different varieties. So if you sell a little bit of everything, make sure that you type in Jolly's Treasure Emporium Bolo Buddies, and it'll pull up all the videos I've done on her solds. And you guys will definitely learn something new from her. Okay, So I love this one. Look at this. This was in a family storage unit I was cleaning out. This little guy sold for 70 in 3 weeks. It's a Detroit Zoo Aquarium Belle Isle children's talking storybook key and tag. Is that cool or what? That is awesome. All right, this one, here it is, guys. Bought a box of like 100 or so comics for $50, so about 50 cents a piece. Mostly Robin comics, but some random sprinkled in. I comp everything and stumbled upon this. Most comps were in the 350 range with all the ones listed 700 or more. I threw it up for 600, got two $500 offers, then a guy turned around and bought it for full price. Wow. And they put the link to their eBay store, but they did not put the name. So I do not know the name of the eBay store. So you could reverse search it by title. But this one is Werewolf by Night, 32nd first appearance, Moon Knight Marvel, 1975, Bronze Age key issue. Wow, that's amazing. That's one thing I don't mess with is comic books. I feel like I'd get all the ones that were worth $1 and I'd pay $1. I couldn't find any comps for these. Google was no help. Chat GPT was no help. I just bought this month, paid $1, sold for 15% off coupon. Vintage Vestback Oshkosh overalls with a bug and lizard print. eBay stores Carla's Fresh Thrift Finds sold for $112.49. Yeah, some of the Oshkosh bagosh, woo, they're big money. Look them up. Look at this one. Y2K Little Big Dogs Kids Romper. 2T to 4T red overalls. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This goes back to roughly 1998. She said it was her son's and she paid no more than 10 for it. Listed it for $99.95, but took an offer of 80 within one day. Probably could have gotten full price, but not complaining. That is awesome. I love the little vintage clothes because these things, nobody looks at the baby clothes. I shouldn't say nobody. I don't look at the baby clothes. I used to back when I sold clothing as my main selling thing. I would look at clothes at garage sales, but now I'm just like, more clothes. All right, here we go. They said, I'm so excited. I'm 70 years young and I'm still employed, hoping to retire by the end of the year. She said her son suggested eBay to keep her busy and possibly bring in a little extra money to supplement a fixed income. About 6 weeks ago, purchased this Delta commemorative display at an auction for $2. I bid on it because no one else did. After research, I listed it for $159.99. The buyer made an offer of $100 and I countered at a split the difference offer of $129.99. Sold. I'm learning so much by watching your videos and having so much fun on my new eBay adventure. Seller BC Treasures. Oh my goodness, I love it. Well, congratulations and keep it up. Keep going. That's amazing. It is amazing. I bought this for $1 at my local thrift store and it sold for a full asking price of $90 after being listed for only 1 month. I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. Store name is JC Finds 54. And it is a Winnie the Pooh Eeyore Disneyland Resort backpack. Sold it for $90. This one is a Polo Ralph Lauren Caldwell shirt, floral Hawaiian. So Ralph Lauren, you guys do a search on solds for Ralph Lauren, high to low, and you will see some Ralph Lauren goes for crazy, crazy money. She said, I bought this for $3 at the local thrift store and it sold for a full asking price of $39.95 3 days after listing it. eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Depop. My store name on eBay, Mercari. Okay, so JC Finds 54 and Poshmark is Cox James 1995. The next one is another one from the same seller, bought for $2 at my local thrift store and sold the next day for a best offer of $32. This is my first time sharing a Bolo with you, but I love watching your videos. I sell on, I told you guys, the platforms. And again, cross-posting. I use List Perfectly. There's tutorials down below if you guys want to learn how to cross-post with List Perfectly. And there's a referral link, bolobuddies, all one word, to get 30% off your first month if you guys want to check that out. Check out the tutorials for sure. And if you're not selling on Whatnot, I've got tutorials for that as well, if that's something you're thinking about. Vintage lot Barbie Skipper 60s, 70s clothing doll lot. This Skipper doll lot and clothing accessories have been in my garage for almost 2 years. I finally started researching each of the outfits. They were all incomplete, but all were sought after to some degree. I was very lazy to list them individually, so I lotted it all together and listed for $125 with best offer turned off. They sold in 8 days. I had already sold about 300 worth of items from the same Barbie haul over the past couple of years. Happy for the quick return and a good amount. Yeah, that's awesome. Sometimes it's just easier to lot it. I get it. I get it. All right, here's the next one. It is a glass 5-inch bird owl on nest, uranium UV glow custard. Look, it's this color, and then it's this color. Woo! It's pretty, right? Picked this up at a church sale, paid up for it 35, but knew the combo of being an owl and glowing in a black light would bring the bird on a nest. It would sell fast. No others listed, so took your advice and finally did my first auction. Sold for my starting price of $150. There you go. So what I always say is if you have a unique rare item that you don't see any other solds or any other actives, what is what you would like to get for the item? And if high solds are 150, try an auction at 150. If there's nothing else listed, you may get two people that really want your item and they may fight over it and it may go for 300. You just never know, but you don't know unless you try, right? And then if it doesn't sell, then put it on buy it now for 150, what you were going to do anyway, but take a chance with that auction. You never know. All right, here we go. Bought this at one of my favorite thrift stores for $2.99. It's been on my Bolo list for a while, so I was excited to find it. I listed it and it sold within 24 hours for full asking price of $190 and went international. My eBay store, Poshmark, Mercari, and Etsy is happily found. It's a big old 48-inch beach ball. Crazy, right? $189.99. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Check out some other Bolo videos. Now we're watching videos instead of videos. Check out some other videos and come share your Bolo in the Facebook group. If you guys have any questions, throw them in the comments. And thank you guys who shared, and thank you all that watched. And again, come share your Bolo. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you're still here, say, I'm still here and tell me your best find last weekend at the garage sales. All right.